Welcome to the best picks. The best rabbit cages is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make as a rabbit owner. A proper cage provides a safe and comfortable home, protecting your furry friend from predators and the elements. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll explore the key features to consider when selecting a rabbit cage, ensuring your pet lives a happy and healthy life. Number 5. Midwest Homes Wabbitat Deluxe Rabbit Home. This rabbit cage offers a large living space for your pet. It's designed to provide maximum comfort, ensuring your furry friend has plenty of room to move around. The cage comes with a free hay feeder, water bottle, and feeding bowl. It also includes an elevated feeding area, making it a complete and convenient home for your rabbit. This cage is ideal not only for rabbits but also for guinea pigs and chinchillas. It's a versatile choice for a variety of small pets, providing a safe and comfortable environment. Featuring a 5.5-inch deep base, this cage effectively contains litter. It also has convenient top and full side door access, making it easy to clean and interact with your pet. You can expand the living space further with compatible extensions. This allows you to create an even larger and more comfortable home for your pet as they grow. No tools are required for assembly, making setup quick and easy. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, providing peace of mind. What we like? This cage offers a large living space for your rabbit. It also includes a hay feeder, water bottle, and feeding bowl. If you have a larger rabbit or multiple small pets, this cage provides the space and convenience they need to thrive. What people say? I love that the entire side of the cage can be opened. The base is deep enough for a good amount of bedding, and there is enough vertical space for them to climb and use their hammocks. Setup for this cage was easy. I did it by myself while watching TV in just a matter of minutes. Number 4. SONGMICS Pet Playpen with Floor, ULPC 001W01. Setting up this playpen is a breeze. You can quickly assemble it using the included connectors and rubber mallet. The modular design makes it easy to move or disassemble. This enclosure provides a roomy and safe space for your small pets to play. The design of the panels makes it difficult for them to climb out, ensuring their safety. The included floor enhances stability and protects your floors. The panels and connectors are designed to prevent your pets from escaping. You can customize the shape to fit your space. You can even stack it to create a multi-level house, offering more space for your pets. The semi-transparent panels allow you to watch your pets. Cleaning is simple, just wipe the surface with a damp cloth to keep it fresh. What we like? This playpen is incredibly easy to assemble, allowing you to set it up quickly. It offers a spacious and secure area for your pets to play. If you are looking for a flexible and adaptable play space that you can customize to fit your home, this is a great choice. What people say? It was easy to put together, good quality. The sides are high enough, small animals can't get over them. The rubber mallet that is included is a big plus, so easy to use, keeps you from pinching fingers or cracking the plastic connectors. Number 3. SONGMICS Pet Playpen, 2-story small animal cage. We all want our pets to feel comfortable. This playpen allows you to create a personalized house for your pet. It's a stylish, 2-story design. Safety is a priority. The rounded edges prevent injuries, and the non-slip mats keep it stable. It also includes zip ties for extra security. This playpen is perfect for hedgehogs, hamsters, guinea pigs, and puppies. You can easily keep an eye on them from any angle while they play. Putting it together is simple with the included instructions and rubber mallet. You can even assemble it into a storage shelf if you want. You'll receive 36 wire mesh panels, connectors, non-slip pads, zip ties, and a rubber hammer. It's everything you need to pamper your pets. What we like? This playpen features a unique 2-story design, providing more space for your pets. It's also designed with safety in mind, with rounded edges and non-slip mats. If you like the idea of giving your pets a multi-level living space that's easy to assemble, consider this one. What people say? With limited space, I wanted to find a way to give them more space by going vertical. I like the adaptability of this hutch. You can fit them in any space and create different designs. Number 2. Aivituvin Rabbit Hutch Indoor and Outdoor Bunny Cage. This rabbit hutch features a deeper pull-out tray, ensuring no leaks. The quality plastic trays are designed to never leak or rust. It keeps the area clean. The removable metal wire netting keeps your bunny from standing on their waist. This design makes it super easy to clean the cage. It is a very convenient design. The bunny hutch is equipped with 4 casters for easy movement. 2 of the casters have brakes, ensuring it stays safely in place. This makes it very convenient. It includes 2 open roofs, side windows, and 2 front doors. These multiple access points allow for easy interaction with your pets from any direction. It is very user-friendly. This bunny cage can be combined with our pet Playpen Air 71. This provides even more space for your pets to roam and play. It is a great option for your pets. What we like. This rabbit hutch comes with a leak-proof tray and a removable wire floor, making cleaning a breeze. It also features casters for easy movement. If you are looking for a cage that prioritizes cleanliness and mobility, this hutch is a great option. What people say. The cage is well designed and easy to assemble. The cage is sturdy and provides ample space for the rabbits to move around. The cage has a removable tray that makes cleaning very easy. Number 1. SONGMICS Guinea Pig Playpen with Ramp and Stairs. Give your furry friends the space they need to thrive with this playpen. It provides ample room for running, playing, and exercising, ensuring they stay happy and healthy. The transparent panels allow you to keep a close eye on your pets. You won't miss a single adorable moment, whether they're grooming or enjoying a snack. Set up the pet fence in various shapes to fit your space. The modular design lets you create a tailored area, so you can always be a part of their playtime. Made with safe PP panels, this playpen offers a peaceful and easily cleaned refuge for your pets. A simple wipe with a damp sponge is all it takes to keep it fresh. This set includes everything you need to get started. It comes with panels, connectors, non-slip mats, stairs, a mallet, and cable ties, providing a complete and convenient solution. What we like. This playpen provides a large exercise area for your pets, encouraging them to run and play. The transparent panels allow you to easily keep an eye on your pets. If you like to watch your pets play and want to give them plenty of room to roam, this playpen is a great choice. What people say. Easy to assemble once you glance over all the pieces. They work great to keep my rabbit in, allowing him plenty of space to run and hop. This was perfect for them to come out in. They are safe. They haven't jumped out or chewed out. The first pen I got they had a hole chewed in 5 seconds. It's very customizable and you can add more sets if you want it bigger. They love it, it's fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.